So here in the good old USA, the government makes you put several smoke alarms in a typical sized house. Way many more than you need. You probably only need about one on each level of the house in any regular sized type of house. I lived in a 1,000 square foot house. That's a small house. I think we had 6 smoke alarms installed in that house. Took them all out. All of them. If there's a fire, I'll know there's a fire. You know how? I'll smell it. I got a smoke alarm. I don't need to keep your smoke alarms that you mandate by law in my house so that it's up to code. I don't need them going off on me when I'm trying to relax in my own house. But if you're of a slave mind, you say, yes, daddy government, yes, sir. I need a dozen smoke alarms in my house. Okay, whatever you say, I'll just leave them there. And once a month, something will set them off. Something's burning on the stove a little bit. You burned your toast in the toaster. Or the dryer lint set it off. And you get to have that stress. You're going to keep all those smoke alarms in your house to avoid a fine. Theoretically, some government worker could come in your house and report you, and you could get a fine, a couple $100? Instead, you're going to have them go off once a week, once a month, whatever. All of them. And your whole family has to deal with it. You're going to do that to your children? You're going to make your children grow up in a house with that going off all the time? Damn, no wonder black folks don't change the battery on those things. I say take the whole damn thing out. That's just a joke, I don't think so. That's the joke, right? Black people don't take just the smoke alarm battery, huh? Just take the whole damn thing out. Just leave one per floor. This is just my opinion. I can't give you advice legally. No, every time those alarms go off, you are imposing a fine on yourself and your family. And that happens several times a year. In my parents' house, they go off at least once a month. There's like 6 of them. And they're all in sync. One goes off, they all go off. That's stressful. Why are you inducing unnecessary stress on yourselves? Can you guess who these people are? Who I'm talking about? Who won't take out any of their smoke alarms because they're so afraid of getting in trouble with the government. Yeah, my mommy and daddy. There's a cost to it, whether you take them out or not. So just take most of them out. Not all of them. I'm not a monster. Yeah, they have a function. But it's a racket that they made. They make you put way too many in your house. Or you can continue to have a slave mind. Oh no, I might get in trouble. Every time they go out, that's trouble. Get rid of the trouble.